5 things engineers should know before moving to the Space Coast. Over the past few years, I've been working with more and more engineers moving to the Space Coast, and that's not by accident. There's a reason why this area keeps coming up for aerospace tech and military professionals. So today, I'm gonna break down why so many engineers are choosing to move here and what you need to know before you do. If you're in engineering or aerospace tech, what matters most to you when choosing where to live? Is it career opportunities, lifestyle, or something else? Why is the Space Coast attracting so many engineers? The Space Coast has really become a hidden gem for engineers, and honestly, it makes so much sense when you think about what's happening here. We have such a strong aerospace and aerospace technology foundation because of places like NASA and Kennedy Space Center. But what's exciting is that it's not just NASA anymore. We have private space companies, defense contractors, engineering firms, manufacturing, and a growing technology ecosystem that's bringing in a lot of high-skilled professionals. Companies connected to aerospace, defense, space exploration, and advanced technology are creating opportunities here. We're seeing engineers moving here for companies like SpaceX, L3Harris, Northrop Grumman, and so many private government sectors. A lot of my engineer clients are relocating from places like California, Texas, and Northeast, and other major tech markets. And a huge part of the conversation is quality of life, but taxes are definitely a big factor. Florida has no state income tax. So for high net worth executives, professionals, and engineers, that makes a huge difference financially for them. So this area specifically is ideal, not just for the lifestyle, but financially in their career. There's just a huge opportunity for growth all around in their life. They're looking at the overall picture. Where can I grow my career, have a great lifestyle, and keep more of what I earn? And the Space Coast checks a lot of these boxes. You can work on cutting edge technology, be part of the future of space exploration, and then after work, you're at the beach, you're on the water, you have more space. You're not dealing with the same cost pressures you see in places like California. And I think that's why this place isn't a short-term trend, because financially plus lifestyle plus career opportunities for engineers and high net worth professionals, there's just so much opportunity for growth here, and your lifestyle really is just right today. If you're looking for golf, boating, if you're big in nature, if you're a foodie, if you like to surf, I mean, everything is here for you. There's a flavor for everyone. A lot of my engineers are coming from out of state, and although Florida is different, it still caters to so many people. People aren't just moving here for one job. They're moving here because they see opportunity. They're buying homes, raising families, investing in the community, and really making the Space Coast home. Actually, it's a mix of everyone, which is what surprises people the most. Is it's such a mix of those who are coming straight out of college and also senior executives. So I think most people think of the Space Coast and the engineering opportunities here, and they just assume that they're professionals straight out of college, and that's just not the case at all. We're seeing early career professionals, mid-career engineers who are making a big move for opportunity, and also senior level executives and experienced professionals who are choosing the Space Coast for their next chapter. The diversity in age and experience here is something people are really surprised by. You have people who have been in the aerospace industry for decades, and younger professionals who are building their careers right here. It's really becoming a place where people aren't just coming for a job, they're coming for a future here. What surprises engineers the most when they move here? I think the biggest difference is the cost versus value. Space Coast has a different rhythm here. I think a lot of people are surprised at the quality of life here. You can work on some of the most innovative projects in the world and then be home near the beach, have more space, and actually enjoy your time outside of work. The other thing that surprises people is the value. A lot of engineers are coming from places like California or other high-cost markets, and they're shocked at what their money can get them here. You're getting more home, more lifestyle, and in many cases, an overall lower tax burden. It's really that combination of lifestyle change and career opportunity that makes people say, why didn't I move here sooner? By the way, I'm Phelyna. I help people who are relocating figure out where their lifestyle actually fits. Whether you're relocating here to the Space Coast or anywhere else, scan here and I'll help you map it out. How should engineers decide if this area is right for them? Honestly, I don't think it should be based on their job. I think it should be based on the lifestyle and if this fits for the lifestyle that they're wanting. And I really sit down for a consultation to decide what you like to do, who you are as a person, what the future here looks like for you, because the career opportunities are here. It's just whether or not it fits the lifestyle that you're wanting or dreaming of. The Space Coast is unique because you can have an incredible career opportunity here, but your day-to-day is different from your traditional tech hub. Proximity to your work hub is also very important. Space Coast is very spread out. So depending on where you live and what your lifestyle is and what you want, if you're working at NASA, Viera might fit you better, Cocoa Beach might fit you better. Also, what are you looking for? Are you wanting the beach lifestyle? Are you wanting to be closer to all the stores, about walking distance to stores? Is that more ideal to you? Are you wanting the boat lifestyle? Are you gonna wanna live on a golf course? So depending on what your lifestyle is that you want and how close to work that you're gonna wanna be is really gonna be the main focus and discussion in the very beginning of our discussions. Choosing the right neighborhood is a big piece of it, and there's so many different pockets in the Space Coast. I really encourage my engineers who are relocating here to really think about the big picture. Like, what's the actual goal? Are you looking to just move here short term for 2 years? Are you looking to live here long term to create wealth, to retire here, to really create a lifestyle for you to just stay here forever? So those questions are really important, and the initial consultation that I have with my buyers relocating here and all of my engineers is really just a big scope of everything. Who are you? What are you looking for? What's your goal? What's the lifestyle that you really want to live, and how can we get you there? If you're in engineering or aerospace tech and you're looking to make a move, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to connect and help you figure out the entire journey.